During one of my visits with Dr. Warren, we had talked about my knee. I've had problems with my left knee for quite some time. Very limited mobility, a lot of pain, a lot of clicking in that knee. He mentioned Softwave and asked me gave me information about it, told me to research it, which I did, and asked if I'd be interested in trying it, which I did. Incredible effect that had on my knee. The whole process lasts about 5 minutes per treatment. They put a gel on my knee and take the machine, go across the entire knee. The areas of tissue that were damaged, that's where you would feel like a little shock going through the damaged muscle. But you could also immediately feel blood circulating and pieces like that. After the first treatment, I was able to do a squat with my knee, where for years I have not been able to. I've been very limited with mobility I had with that knee. For me, it's been a game changer in activities that I was very limited on that I now can do with my sons, with my wife, with my grandkids. Everything from up and down fishing, up and down in a boat, walking, hiking, has made a huge difference. I would highly recommend researching and giving Softwave a chance, where especially if other medications or surgeries haven't helped, Softwave could be a definite solution.